let me show you how we can write down H2O or square meters in Word. It's really simple. Start by typing H2O with regular letters. Then select 2 and we can head to the top here to decide this is subscript or superscript. So subscript, we move it down, and superscript, move it up. In this case, we're doing the subscript. It's now below the line. And for square meters, we do the same thing. M2, select number 2, and this time we're moving this up. Superscript, and that's it. So that's the best method for really short chemical formulas. If the formula is way longer, I recommend to use insert, and there's option to insert equations with all of the equation editor feature here at the top. I'll make a separate video on that, so don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.